Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back. Stu is back. Yeah, I'm back. How y'all doing? I hope you're good. Well, I'm good for now. Thank God. Well, now I have this 2013 BMW X5 X-Drive 35i E70 L6 with 3.0 little engine. And now I'm just gonna show you how to do the oil change in this vehicle, and also I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset real quick. All right. Well, I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Come with me. I'll show you how to do it. Before I get into that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, put in the comment box for me, and I'll catch you up later. All right. Okay. Come with me. How to do the oil change. Hala, estuvo por un. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. I'm back. Stu is back. Yeah, me. I hope you like the the video on how to do the oil change in this 2013 BMW X5. As you can see, I marked the engine bay. I pulled 6.5 quarts to 7 quarts. So what you can do now, since this engine doesn't have an oil dipstick, you're gonna pull 6.5 quarts synthetic oil 5W30, and then start the car. The engine is gonna warm up. Once it warm up, you can go to this menu by using this control, this knob. Go to menu. It's gonna take you there. Go to vehicle info, vehicle status. Then you go there, engine oil level. It says right there, engine oil level sufficient to start engine. Engine must be running for measurement. Okay, so you start the vehicle. Okay, it's running now. And it's gonna tell you how much you have once it's warm up. It says measuring engine oil level. Okay, so what I suggest you to do is pour 6.5 quarts first, and once the engine is warm up, it's gonna tell you where's the engine level, the engine oil level. And if it's right here, let's say you pour 6.5 quarts and it's right here, then you need another quart, and that make it. All right. On the other hand, well, I just want to say, before I get into the oil life reset, I just want to say, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video how to do the oil change. And now, how to do the oil life reset. All you're gonna do is connect your scanner. Okay, you don't want to deal too much with this car. You don't want to, like, spend too much time in this vehicle. Connect the scanner. Okay, right there where you see that wire, connect it, and it's automatic. Okay, yes. Okay, just go to menu, oil reset, enter, yes. Reset oil maintenance, yes. Oil reset is in progress. Oil maintenance reset was successful. Okay, and this is how you reset the oil life in this vehicle. Okay. Alright, look at that. So it takes probably 3 minutes to tell you the level of the oil. And yeah, it takes 7 quarts. Synthetic oil, 530, 5W30, alright? And the oil life reset, this is why it's a good idea to have your own scanner, alright? Because you can erase codes, trouble codes from the computer, reset the oil life, read the trouble codes from the computer, and all that. So I suggest you to get your own OBD2 scanner. Alright, and that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video how to do the oil change and how to reset the oil life. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please don't forget to put the feedback in the comment box for me. Alright, holla at your boy, Astuo. Burung. Hey.